Samantala, Kati, inaasahan naman ang pagdagsa ng marami pang pamumuhunan sa Pilipinas. Positibo kasi tinanggap ng mga Japanese investors ang pag-adapt ng Pilipinas sa TV o digital TV standards ng Japan. Narito ang report.
Inaasahan ang pagdagsapa ng Japanese investment sa bansa kaugnay ng pag-adapt ng Pilipinas ng digital TV standards sa pagharap ni Pangulong Aquino sa Nippon Keidanren Japan Business Federation sa pamumuno ng chairman nito na si Hiromasa Yonekura. Malugod na tinanggap ng grupong negosyante ang desisyon ng Pilipinas kaugnay ng digital TV standards.
My country decided to adopt a digital terrestrial television system using the Japanese standard. We have already begun to process the tax credit certificates and have approved 31 out of the 47 applications that we have received so far. It might be of interest to you that infrastructure remains ripe for investment as we have successfully bid out some of our major public-private partnership projects, such as those for the public school buildings, 2 major connector roads, an automatic fare collection system, and most recently, the International Airport in Cebu.
Samantalang muling ipinabot ang pasasalamat sa suporta ng business sector ng Japan sa mga sinalanta ng Super Typhoon Yolanda. Muli rin hinikayat ang Pangulong mga ito na silipin ang malaking potensyal ng Pilipinas sa larangan ng pamumuhunan dahil na rin sa gumagandang galaw ng Philippine economy na kinikilala na rin ng international business community.
As you can see, our partnership continues to reap dividends for your companies and for my people, who will benefit from the opportunities that will become available through your continued confidence in our country. I invite you all to explore further opportunities for investment. You have shown us in the wake of Super Typhoon Haiyan that we are not alone in times of calamity. Perhaps we can strengthen our solidarity further by sustaining our positive engagement in times of prosperity and growth. I look forward to enjoying the usual productive and insightful discussions with you this afternoon, and may I conclude that we are eagerly anticipating the continued opportunities you will represent for our people as we move towards from relief to the reconstruction and rehabilitation phase after Super Typhoon.
Kasunod nito, formal na rin ipinabot ng Nippon Keidanren ang kanilang tiwala sa Administrasyong Aquino na pairali ng malinis at tapat na pamahalaan.
Samantala, Kati, makakasama bukas ni Pino ang iba pang ASEAN leaders para sa formal na pagbubukas ng 40th Japan-ASEAN Commemorative Summit dito sa Tokyo, Japan. Mula pa rin dito sa Tokyo, nag-uulat para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.
Maraming salamat, Rocky Ignacio.